I can barely reach the floor with my foot. But anyways, we're gonna give it a start. There's neighbors, so that's all for now for that. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the first ever Misfire Media video. We're just about to pull up to the place where all the cars are at, and our cars are there, but I really wanted to just talk about the E36, which is the new car that I just picked up. I'm super excited about it. It's gonna be my drift build, so I haven't really posted much about it because I kind of just want to do like a build breakdown before I just post photos of it. So here we have my Infinity, which is my daily, and then we have Casey's Purple People Eater. We'll talk about those cars later, and probably in a different video. Alright, so let's go check out the gem in the garage. Here it is in all its glory. So I bought the car with everything on it that's on it now, except for the wheels and tires, and then I got these plexiglass windows for it and the harnesses. The wheels though I got from Heritage. Big thanks to them. I love how they look on the car. And then the tires I got from Federal. And then I also just picked up and bought the wrap for the car, which I'm really excited about. It's a really different color. Sorry. Although the car doesn't look the best right now, it also has some really nice parts. But one thing that I wanted to talk about first is I'm going to get my cage done, because the cage is just tack welded in place right now. So it's in the car already, all the bars are bent and everything, but I just need the welds to be finished. And also, if you look below me, the subframe is cut, so I have to get a custom fabricated rear bash bar to go there.
Do you think I believe in everything you say or do? It's okay if I'm a fool for you.
So here's the inside of it. It needs some work as well. I want to get some door panels for it, but the parts on it are pretty nice. It has the CAE short shifter and a Willwood hydro. I want to get a new steering wheel for it, but this bolt is kind of been a mission to try and get off. So if anyone has any tips or tricks or some hacks, just drop it in the comments, because that thing's stuck. One thing I really like though about this car is the wiring is really simplified. I obviously want to clean up the wiring a little bit because it's too messy for my liking, but the wiring is simplified and it's just these two switches and then this button. So one problem that I have is I'm already going to get rid of these seats and get like, I don't know which seats yet, but I'm going to get new seats, and these are mounted way too far back for me because I can barely reach the floor with my foot. But anyways, we're gonna give it a start. motors. So that's all for now for that. We'll probably take it out another day and show you guys. The motor is just a stock inline 6, nothing too special, but I really trust this motor. Like, seems pretty healthy, it seems good. Obviously we still have to check some stuff, but the main thing that we're gonna do is, you know, exchange all the zip ties for bolts and then remount some stuff. Like, there's a lot of stuff that's out of place. So I forgot to show you guys the angle kit, which I'm really excited about. It can get all sorts of sideways. I'm pretty sure it's a PBM angle kit. Not 100% sure, so I'm going to start the car again. Doesn't hurt, I guess. And then show you guys the angle that this thing has.
Somebody actually just stalled the car.
That's the first time I've ever stalled it. I forgot to put it back first. So we're in neutral now. We're good now. That's it for today. That's pretty much the Beamer, everything about it. So I'm pretty excited. I'm really excited to get started on it and make it look pretty and not be such a shitbox. But anyways, thanks for watching our first video. Hope to see you guys back. Oh, it is. Casey out here trying to attack the bees.
Okay.
Are they still in here?
No, they're gone. I got them.
No, you did not.
They're out. All three. There's one of them.
Don't scratch the paint.
He's out. He's gone. We're good.
You're ridiculous.
We good.
I think you scratched my car though.
What? No. It doesn't.
Rude. Jeez. Some respect.